Are you considering ResMan for your real estate property management needs? Before you make your final decision, there are a few important things you need to know. In this video, we'll walk through the top 12 things to keep in mind before buying ResMan, so you can make an informed choice, especially if you're also comparing it to other solutions on the market. First thing to know is that ResMan is known for its comprehensive features that cater to property managers of all sizes. Whether you're managing a few units or a large portfolio, the platform offers robust accounting, leasing, and tenant management tools. However, competitors like Appfolio and Buildium offer similar features, but may have different price points or additional customization options, so it's essential to compare based on your needs. Next thing to keep in mind is the user interface. While ResMan's interface is clean, some users report it can feel a bit clunky at first. This is not uncommon in property management software, but platforms like Rentec Direct and Yardi have a more intuitive and user-friendly design. If ease of use is a priority for you, this might be something to consider when comparing. The third thing you should know is that ResMan offers strong accounting capabilities, including automated billing, bank reconciliation, and financial reporting. This is a standout feature for businesses looking to streamline their finances. On the flip side, software like Appfolio provides more advanced accounting integrations. So if you require highly detailed accounting workflows, you might want to check that out as well. The fourth thing to note is the customer support. ResMan offers a range of support options, including phone, email, and live chat. However, customer service reviews can be mixed, with some users mentioning slow response times. If responsive customer support is crucial for your team, consider testing the support channels before committing, as competitors like Buildium have a reputation for more consistent customer service. The fifth thing to consider is the pricing model. ResMan has a competitive pricing structure, but depending on the number of units you're managing, costs can add up quickly. Compared to platforms like Appfolio, which offers a monthly subscription based on units, ResMan's pricing might work better for large property management firms, but could feel expensive for smaller users. Next thing to consider is the scalability. ResMan is great for both small and large businesses, but it shines when dealing with bigger property portfolios. It offers customizations and integrations that are beneficial as your portfolio grows. If scalability is important to your business, ResMan's advanced features may provide a strong solution. That said, companies like Yardi also excel in this area, with additional enterprise-level solutions. The seventh thing to keep in mind is the mobile experience. ResMan offers a mobile app for property managers and tenants, which is a big plus. However, some users report that the app can be a bit slow, and it doesn't have the same advanced features found in some competitors' mobile apps, such as those from Buildium or Appfolio. The eighth thing is the tenant and lease tracking feature. ResMan's system is solid, offering lease tracking and tenant information all in one place. It's comparable to competitors, but you'll find that platforms like Rentec Direct offer more advanced lease tracking and customization options. The ninth thing you should know is about integrations. ResMan integrates with popular third-party applications, but it's not as extensive as some competitors. Platforms like Appfolio offer more seamless integrations with accounting, CRM, and maintenance systems, so if you need specific third-party software to sync smoothly, you might want to compare integrations closely. Next thing to mention is the maintenance management feature. ResMan has a built-in maintenance module that allows you to track service requests, assign tasks, and monitor progress. However, it lacks the level of automation seen in competitors like Yardi or Buildium, where the maintenance modules are more streamlined and efficient. The 11th thing is the reporting capabilities. ResMan offers a variety of reporting features, but they are somewhat limited compared to Appfolio or Buildium, which provide more customizable reports and detailed analytics. If data and reporting are key to your business, you might need a more robust reporting system. And finally, ResMan offers a 30-day free trial, allowing you to test the platform and explore its capabilities before committing. However, keep in mind that not all competitors offer the same level of free trials or flexibility.